Do you want to buy the best drone in 2022? You've come to the right place. This list was created after spending countless hours flying the best aircraft equipped with cameras. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker or a professional photographer, you'll find your ideal drone here. For more detail, we included links in the description. At number 1, DJI Mavic 3 Drone Camera. Do you want to buy the most powerful little drone on the market? The DJI Mavic 3 is the right choice for you. This aerial powerhouse has a dual camera system that combines a massive 20MP 4/3 sensor with a helpful 162mm optical zoom. The DJI Mavic 3 drone has a maximum transmission range of 15 kilometers, allowing you to fly farther and take more footage. The O3 Plus transmission technology also provides smooth and consistent live broadcasts. All of functionality is packed into a backpack-friendly package that is lighter than the Mavic 2 Pro model on which it is based. The cost of the world's most powerful tiny drone is expensive. Other improvements over its predecessor include a 46-minute battery life and the ability to record 5K video and 4K slow-motion footage. At number 2, Autel Robotics EVO Drone Camera. It uses a 1-inch sensor to record 5.4K footage at 30 frames per second and has a strikingly comparable feature sheet. With its 40-minute flying length and customizable aperture, it outperforms both the Air 2S and the Mavic Pro 2. The Lite Plus variant lacks the Evo Lite's 4th-axis stability, but the bigger pixels on its sensor let it to absorb more light in low-light situations. The lack of 10-bit video and D-Log profile may cause concern among professional drone videographers. However, the Lite Plus is an amazingly adaptable piece of flying camera equipment in all other regards. Its 20MP sensor is perhaps the greatest camera available on a drone today for the money. At number 3, DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone Camera. DJI's Mavic Air 2 is the finest drone under $1,000, with a compelling blend of photography, stability, and safety features. It pushes power and portability to new heights, with sophisticated capabilities packed into a small package. The Mavic Air 2 is a terrific bargain choice that is well worth considering thanks to its bigger sensor and handy digital zoom. It still shoots 4K video, has a 34-minute flying duration, and a comparable maximum range of 10 kilometers. The Mavic Air 2 has simple shooting controls that make aerial photography more accessible than ever before. While flying freely, Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera fixated on a topic. Subjects are kept focused using Active Track 3.0. POI 3.0 keeps track of moving objects such as people and cars. At number 4, DJI FPV Combo Drone Camera. If you don't expect to fly solo and don't mind the restriction, the DJI FPV is an excellent choice for first-timers. With a peak speed of 87 miles per hour, it's quicker and more agile than any previous DJI drone, but it also offers 3 distinct flying modes to cater to various types of flyers. It can also shoot 4K video, which is rather stunning. The gimbal is only one axis, but electronic image stabilization ensures flawless film, and you can even shoot 1080p at 120 frames per second in slow-mo mode. With the extra feature of recording 4K video and 12MP stills, this drone is all about the FPV flying experience. It achieves this admirably, but there is a learning curve and legal constraints. It can also shoot 4K video, which sets it apart from other FPV drones. At number 5, Holy Stone HS-72 Drone Camera. This drone can hover stably both indoors and outdoors thanks to its air optical flow and air pressure altitude management technology. Without the risk of losing the drone, GPS location and auto return to home are available. The intelligent flying modes let the drone to fly itself, freeing your hands and thoughts to create video or pictures. Brushless motors are more powerful and quieter than brushed motors, allowing for more steady and quick drone flying. Furthermore, they offer a longer lifespan and eliminate the need for motor maintenance. More flying, less charging. Each clever battery provides 23 minutes of flying time, and 2 batteries are supplied to extend your flight time to 46 minutes. The remote-controlled 90-degree adjustable angle expands your perspective, and the 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures a longer and smoother picture transmission. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below.